Cordless drill shopping used to feel easy until you realize most of them look the same, sound the same, and promise the same thing. But here's what no product page tells you. A drill that looks tough might die after 6 months of weekend projects. Today, I'm showing you 5 real options that actually hold up where it counts. Product number 1: DEWALT 20V Max Combo Kit. If you want a drill that feels like it was built for daily use but costs less than a dinner for two, this DEWALT combo is worth a serious look. It comes with both a drill and an impact driver, 2 20V batteries, a charger, and a bag, all for around $165. What caught my eye is how compact it is. The drill is only 7.5 inches long and weighs 3.6 pounds, so it slips into tight corners without straining your wrist. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1,700 inch-pounds of torque and 2-speed transmission, 0-450 and 0-1500 RPM, mean you can switch from driving screws into soft wood to drilling into metal without missing a beat. The 300 unit watts out gives consistent power, and the LED lights, one on each tool, stay on for 20 seconds after you release the trigger, which is perfect when you're working under a sink or in a dim garage. Plus, it uses DEWALT's 20V Max system, so if you ever expand your tool collection, you're already in the ecosystem. Now, some people complained about the 1.5 Ah batteries feeling a bit weak for heavy jobs. Here's the thing though, for home use like building shelves, hanging cabinets, or assembling furniture, they're more than enough. And since you get 2, you can always have one charging while the other runs. This is perfect for you if you want pro-grade tools without the pro price tag and plan to use them regularly. Skip this one if you only need to tighten a screw once a year, it's overkill. But for anyone doing weekend projects, this kit delivers serious value. Product number 2: High-Spec Pink USB Screwdriver. If you want something cute, cheap, and just for light screw work, this high-spec pink screwdriver is surprisingly handy. At just $25, it's not a drill, it's a dedicated screwdriver with 3.6 volts, 180 RPM, and 4 Nm of torque. It weighs less than a pound and charges via USB, which means you can plug it into your laptop or power bank. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your biggest tool need is assembling IKEA furniture or tightening cabinet hinges, this thing is fast, quiet, and doesn't overpower delicate materials. The 23 included bits cover almost every screw type you'll find at home, and the compact size fits in a kitchen drawer. It's not meant for drilling, but for pure screwdriving, it's shockingly efficient. Now, some people complain that the battery drains quickly and the plastic body feels flimsy. Here's the thing though, for $25, you're not getting industrial strength. But if you treat it gently and charge it regularly, it'll outlast your need for it. And honestly, the pink color makes it easy to find in a cluttered drawer. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer who mostly deals with small screws and wants something simple and affordable. Skip this one if you need to drill holes or drive long screws, it's not built for that. But for light, frequent tasks, it's a steal. Product number 3: DEWALT 20V Max Brushless Drill. If you want a single drill that's powerful, efficient, and built to last, this DEWALT brushless model is a standout. Priced around $126, it's a step up from the combo kit. You get just the drill, 1 2Ah battery, and a charger, but the motor is brushless, which means longer runtime and less wear over time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Brushless motors are more efficient, so you get more power per charge, perfect if you're drilling multiple holes in hardwood or driving long screws. The 1,500 RPM max speed and 20V power give it serious punch, and at just 7.6 inches long, it fits into tight spaces like behind appliances or inside cabinets. The LED light kicks in automatically and stays on for 20 seconds, which is a small detail that makes a big difference in dark corners. Now, some people complain that it only comes with 1 battery, so you're stuck waiting if it dies mid-project. Here's the thing though, the 2Ah battery lasts surprisingly long for home tasks. And if you ever need more, DEWALT's 20V system lets you share batteries across tools. Plus, the 3-year warranty shows they stand behind it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense drill for regular home projects and don't mind buying extra batteries later. Skip this one if you want a full kit right out of the box, go for the combo instead. But for pure drilling performance, this is hard to beat. Product number 4, PULITUOV Drill Kit. If you want a lot of tools for not a lot of money, this PULITUO kit is a beast. It includes the drill, 2 1.5Ah batteries, a charger, and a full 34-piece accessory set: bits, extensions, anchors, the works. The drill itself has 30 Nm of torque, 2 speeds up to 1500 RPM, and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, all for a price that's usually under $100. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 21+1 torque settings let you dial in just the right amount of power, so you won't strip screws or crack drywall. The LED light helps in tight spaces, and having 2 batteries means you're never stuck waiting. The included bits cover wood, metal, and plastic, basically everything you'll encounter at home. Now some people complain that the build feels a bit plasticky and the battery life isn't as strong as premium brands. Here's the thing though, for occasional use it's more than enough. And with all those extras you're getting serious value. It's not DWALT level durability, but for the price it's a solid workhorse. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a complete setup for home repairs and small builds. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty performance or plan to use it daily. It's better suited for weekend warriors. Product number 5, Craftsman V20 Drill Kit. If you want a no-frills, reliable drill from a trusted name, this Craftsman V20 is a quiet winner. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done with 280 unit watts out, 2 speeds, and a 1/2-inch keyless chuck. It comes with 120V battery and a fast charger that tops it up in under an hour. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0350 and 1500 RPM settings let you go slow for precision or fast for efficiency, and the LED light helps when you're working in dim areas like basements or attics. It's compatible with Craftsman's VersaTrack system, so you can hang it on the wall for easy access. Plus, the 3-year warranty gives peace of mind. Now, some people complain that the 1.3Ah battery runs out faster than expected on big jobs. Here's the thing though, for typical home use like hanging pictures or building a deck, it's plenty. And if you need more runtime, extra batteries are affordable and easy to find. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, dependable drill from a brand you recognize. Skip this one if you need maximum power or a full accessory kit, but for everyday tasks, it's a solid choice. So which one should you buy? If you want the best all-around performance, go with the DEWALT Combo Kit. For light screw work, the high-spec pink driver is fun and functional. Need efficiency and longevity? The brushless DEWALT is worth the upgrade. On a budget, PULITUO gives you the most for your money. And if you just want something simple and reliable, Craftsman won't let you down. Pick the one that fits your projects and your pocket.